Hey guys, Laurie Suarez today, and we're looking at the Crypto Carnival. A look at different coins. The world of cryptocurrency is vast. So let's explore the three main types. Number one, you've got Bitcoin, the OG crypto. Think of Bitcoin as the firstborn of the cryptocurrencies, the master. Launched in 2009. It's the most famous and obviously valuable on today's market. Bitcoin's focus has been on a decentralized store of value like digital gold. It has a limited supply with only 21 million Bitcoins that can ever exist, which contributes to its high value and obviously its respect, if you want to call it that. Number two, we've got the altcoins, the crypto cousins. Altcoins are all cryptocurrency, but they're not Bitcoin. They're like Bitcoin's younger or more diverse sibling, if you want to call it that. There's thousands of altcoins which exist, each with unique features and purposes. Some altcoins focus on faster transactions. You have smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements, which are being quite popular and being used today, or more sort of tailored to a specific industry. Popular altcoins include Ethereum, which is a big user of the smart contracts, Litecoin, which thrives itself on faster transactions, and of course Ripple, which is very well known for its cross-border payments. Number three, you've got stablecoins, the crypto calm. Imagine a cryptocurrency pegged to a stable asset like the US dollar. That's a stable coin. USDT is probably the most known stable coin. Stable coins aim to reduce the high volatility often associated with the cryptocurrencies. They're backed by reserves of assets like dollars, for example, or country currencies, or other cryptocurrencies, offering more price stability. Stablecoins are useful for everyday transactions or as a bridge between crypto and traditional finance. In the market, there's popular stablecoins such as the one I just mentioned before, which includes Tether, USDT, and USD, the USD coin, USDC, which are probably the world's most known stable coins. So when you come to choose your crypto, the type of cryptocurrency you choose depends on your goals. For example, if you choose Bitcoin, Bitcoin's ideal for those seeking a long-term storage of value. Okay, altcoins, you explore the greater specific functionality or potential for growth. And then you've got stable coins, which are perfect for those transactions or those seeking less volatility. One thing you need to remember, this is just a taste of the crypto world. There are new coins constantly emerging. You need to research before investing. Very important. So once again, I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, happy learning and happy trading. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.